all being here with us in the launch event of our dream project. Before I start, I would like to share my experience and the situation motivated me to start this project. When I was working, I was looking for the admissions in BTech and MCA for my sister and brother. At that time, I found a lot of difficulty in selecting the best institution because I don't have idea about all the institutions which are best and what are the merits of the institutions. So what I did is I collected some contact information for the institutions, and I contacted so many institutions. But the thing is, no institution has given the actual fee structures for the management quota seats. So at that time, what I did is I approached some education consultants and have taken the fee structures of different institutions. Here the actual problem is each consultant says about one institution, about the fee structures, all those things. And the main problem here is different consultants give different fee structures for this same institution. So I was not able to take the decision by taking their fee structures, all those things. Due to lack of time, I have taken the decision and I have taken the admission finally. But the thing later I came to know that due to the demand created by the institutions and education consultants, I paid a very high fee. So I thought about this problem, the situation what I have faced, and I have decided to do something which should not happen to other people again. So I researched for so many days and I have found the thing that the institutions what they are doing is due to the scare about the seats filling. What they are doing is they are selling their seats to the education consultants before the admissions time itself. So these consultants what they are doing is they are giving their seats to some other people, again they are going and giving to some other people. So the number of levels between the actual admission seeker and the admission provider is increasing, and the fee structure also getting increased. So what I have decided is if I am able to connect the direct admission seeker and the admission provider, so the number of levels will be reduced and the fees also can be reduced so much. So due to that incident, I have developed a project that is Sagam.com. So here the admission seeker can register with academic profile and his admission preferences like his preferred course and preferred location and the fee structures what he can pay, everything. This data will be accessed by so many institutions and education consultants across the country. So the institutions will directly call to the admission seekers and they will speak to the admission seekers directly. So by comparing the fee structures and the merits of the different institutions across the country, student will be able to take his decision according to his afford range. This is the basic overview of the project what we have developed to bring down the admissions fees range in the management quota.